All right, so we just got this. It's a Black & Decker 32-ounce citrus juicer electronic. We're going to try it out and see if it works. All right, so we're going to unbox this bad boy. Thank you. Look, thank you for buying it. Oh, you're welcome. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, you do plug it in. It does come with directions right there. Don't lose those. And I think it's pretty self-explanatory, really, to tell you the truth. Oh, yeah. It's pretty simple. Yeah, this is going to be easy to do. You may want to rinse it off before.
I did have one.
Yeah.
I can't remember if it broke.
You have one of these?
Yes, I have one.
Now we got two of them.
I just got it because I can't remember if it broke.
All right, so it's pretty simple. You plug it in, and then, does this come off of here?
Yeah.
What the hell? Oh, here, maybe I go like this. Oh, yeah, there we go. So what I had to do is reach in here to pop it off. This thing you don't need in there. This is like some protective feel. So anyway, you just plug it in, and then it juices it, and then you smush this on top, I guess, and damn, Bob's your uncle. You just fill it up with regular. There should be a button on here somewhere. Oh, here we got another one of these. My honey's over here washing stuff. That's why it's so loud. Okay, so now the question is, how do you turn it on? Or maybe, you know what? It might be run by pressure. You push down on it and it does it. And I think this is for afterwards. And this probably comes off, yeah, so you can clean it.
I mean, if I had it, it's like 35 years.
So yeah, I don't think this is going to be too hard to use. So you just plug it in. It does not have a long cord. Look,
It has to.
the cord is.
No, it's
You
probably
think-
wrapped around the bottom.
You think it is? Let's see.
That's
Flip it over.
ridiculous.
Oh yeah, it is. Right. Oh, hang on before. It's got to pop out of there, right?
Turn it.
Do I got it? Oh my God! What? That's ridiculous.
It's crazy.
Why do they do that?
Really?
What? Oh, there we go. Okay, now we got some cordage. Are you gonna juice something?
I will.
We're gonna wash these first. But yeah, that's it right there. You just plug it in. I think you push it down, and it just juices it. That's it. Okay, so here they are.
What?
She's got the lemons cut. We're gonna try one. All right.
It's very slow.
Want me to do it?
No, I'm just saying it's very slow.
Yeah, it doesn't have anything to make it go faster.
No, that's okay. I'll use it and I'll get another one.
But we're getting some lemon.
And that thing is supposed to put over it, but that's stupid.
Oh, that doesn't make any
Because it only
sense.
pushes so far. I can push down farther than that thing, you know?
Yeah.
But that's fine.
All right, let's make some lemon. Want me to do one? That works pretty good. You can get a better grip on it. Wow, I cleaned that sucker out. Try another one. You gotta kind of get. I'm putting some pressure on it now. Look at that. I
Yeah,
cleaned
you
that
wanna-
sucker out.
Yeah, but you just want to, yeah, you know.
All right, you do one now. Let's see how much juice we got. Wow, we're getting juice. Juice! So that's pretty easy, right? It's plugged in over there. She's strong like bull. How many more we got? Does it go both ways? What's
It just,
you see it? It switches. Now it goes the other way. Watch. See that?
It's still going the same way. So I don't understand.
You got to get that juice out of there. It's got too much pulp in it. Smush it through. Got a lot of seeds too. Could we just throw those outside? Maybe we'd grow a tree.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Yeah, looks good.
The garlic.
All right, so we had to clean it up just a little bit because it wasn't.
And then you can make this more juice or less juice, which is why would you want that? I don't understand.
You wanted more juice.
Why would you want anything less?
I
I
don't
don't
get it.
It's kind of dumb.
Well, what it's doing is it's collecting more of the pulp, maybe. Wow. Last one.
How much that takes to get it.
How many? We did like 7 lemons, and this is how much juice we got. We got like 500 or 16 ounces. I don't know what that means. 516, whatever that means.
This is ounces.
All right, well, we did good.
That's milliliters.
That's enough juice for you to juice the heck out of your drinks from now on. All right, if you like lemon juice, check out our videos. Peace out.